All right, this is a great idea. This is a backup camera that you put on your license plate that is wireless, so you don't have to cut into your car's wiring to use it. It's solar powered on the outside, plugs into your cigarette lighter on the inside. And I've covered up the license plate number so you don't come to my house and steal my truck, but that's the bracket that goes on top of the license plate. And then you just kind of snap the camera solar powered apparatus on top of it like this. And then inside the truck, you can see it's plugged into the cigarette lighter with that red light, and we put it on upside down. So while he's back there trying to flip it right side up, you can see there's a bunch of different mounting brackets that come with it. So you have a few different options. You can either permanently stick it to your truck, or you can use a suction cup on the windshield. You gotta spit on it. Lick it before you stick it. There you go. And that's all there is to it. So if you want one of these, there's a link in the description. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. This thing's a huge time saver, and it's better than cutting into your electrical system to install one of these, I think.